A surface gauge is a versatile tool often used on a surface plate for layout or inspection. With the base resting on a surface plate, begin by preloading the fine adjustment with a few turns of pressure. This will allow for both up and down adjustments. Next, visually set the spindle in a vertical position and lock it in place. Then, using a combination square or rule and rule holder, position the scribe near the desired height and lock it into position. You'll use the fine adjustment to set the tip of the scriber to the final height. To create a line that's parallel to the surface plate, gently drag the surface gauge across the plate with the scriber lightly touching the workpiece. Keep in mind that it's usually easier to use the hook end of the scriber when scribing lines at a height that is close to the surface plate. In fact, if you are working closer to the surface plate, the scriber can be mounted directly to the base without the spindle. A surface gauge can also be used to hold a test indicator for checking parallelism. To start, mount the test indicator and use the fine adjustment to bring the indicator contact point against a workpiece surface. Then, preload with enough pressure to move the needle about a quarter turn on the dial. The dial can then be rotated to set a reference of 0. Next, move the surface gauge and sweep the indicator across the workpiece surface to check for parallelism.